so these two products together are what I put in my hair. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to Monae Conversations. How are you guys doing today? Before I even get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Also follow me on Instagram at @TheRealJada. I'll put it across the screen, and let's get straight into it. Amazing Beauty Hair is a really great company. Like, whenever you need your tracking number or anything, their customer service is so good, because I'm the type of person, once you give me their tracking number, I'm like a stalker. So if you have any questions, they are really good and on time with the shipping and any type of questions you got. You just gotta kind of message them at night, because I think it's the time differences, because I live in Georgia Eastern Standard Time. So I noticed, like, when I messaged them at night, they were really quicker, and that's the case with most of these hair companies. All right, you guys, so I know y'all looking at this beautiful hair that I got in, and I can't keep my hands out of it because it is so pretty. So yes, these are clip-ins. First of all, I got the curl pattern Jerry Curl, and I got natural black color is the color, and I will also put all the links in the description box for you guys to see. IG reel I made showing the process of me putting them in my hair, which shows the texture of my real hair, so you can kind of compare it to yours and see, you know, will it bend. But what I will tell y'all, I got 2 sets of clip-ins, and that will really help with any texture. Like, my hair is not this texture at all, and I actually think this texture works better with someone with a tighter curl pattern, because as you can see, my curls do get tight, or I have a lot of shrinkage, but my curls aren't the tightest. I actually think, since this hair is kind of kinky, yes, it's long, I think it could work with a tighter curl pattern or a loose one like mine. Like, you know, you see my hair? So it's not the tightest, because, you know, I've seen curl patterns tighter than this and looser. If you do have a looser curl pattern, you could actually brush this out a lot and add some gel to the hair. I didn't. I only added gel to my hair. So if you're wondering what products I use on my hair, because I have a lot of shrinkage, let's look. I ended up using the ORS Curls Unleashed Texture Boosting Curling Gel. It actually smells so good, and I put this on my real hair, and it really helps with the shrinkage. I know y'all be looking for products that really help. Ooh. It looks just like this, and you can get it in Walmart, probably your natural hair beauty supply, something like that. But I got it from Walmart, and I think it was like $10, but y'all know natural hair stuff costs a lot, but y'all probably looking at me like, Jada, that don't cost that much. So the next thing I used was Ecostyler gel. I love Ecostyler gel. I love it. It always lays my edges so pretty. See what I'm saying? It always lays my hair so nice. And this time I used the curling wave. Generally, any type of Ecostyler works for my hair type, but this one works really good. It was actually my first time trying it, and I was like, okay, curl and wave, like, why did I never try this one? I always use the green one with the, no, it's not argan oil. I think it's olive oil. I started off using argan oil, then I always use olive oil, and now I'm about to use this, and it works great. And like I said, smells good. It makes your hair smell great. So these 2 products together are what I put in my hair to achieve my wash and go before I put my clip-ins in. Okay, and if you're new to my channel and you never watched my first video, I will let you know that these clip-ins are everything. They don't shed. They're really full. Y'all, when I tell y'all, my hair is already thick. So y'all see how thick my hair is, and I didn't even brush some of these out. You see these? I brushed these out on this side, but not this side, because I was like, whoa. It really gives you a lot of volume, and you can wet them to make them have a flat look. I just got mine flipped out. So you could do the flat look if you want, but I would really advise you to do the fluffy look, because it really makes it blend more. When you do the fluffier look, you can't really, you know, the hair really blends. So I will advise anyone to do. Now, sometimes on this side, since you have to leave a little bit more hair out, your hair can kind of poke out, little strands here and there, but all you have to do is add more gel and lay it back down. I've had my hair dry for about 3 hours now, so I could go in and, you know, fixed parts, but it literally doesn't look that bad and it looks so beautiful. I can't wait to show y'all my reel. It really looks good. So make sure if y'all go on Instagram and watch my reel, leave a comment and tell me how you like the hair. I really hope y'all love them as much as me. I really love them. I can't wait to wear them out. Like, baby, this is my real hair. Y'all always gonna catch me saying that. That's why I be so mad that people know me and be watching my YouTube, because baby, I will walk out the house straight like this. Like, this is my real hair, and what about it? It's mine. Now what? Somebody ever ask you something and then they kind of know the truth? Like, somebody walk up to you and be like, that's your real hair? Knowing they didn't watch this video and knowing this clip ends. It's mine. Now what? Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna keep y'all for long. This hair really speaks for itself. Like, I really don't have to say much about it because it's so beautiful, so bouncy. Like, you can do so much with this hair. You can style it so many different ways. But right now, I just want to embrace this wild side and look all cute, you know. And clip-ins are so easy and so manageable, and you know, you don't have to worry about it slipping or frontal or sliding back. Like, you can just be your natural, unapologetic self. So I love you guys so much. Make sure y'all can look, and literally, like, wherever you put the hair, it will stay. Like, y'all see how I just fluffed it up and it stayed? Like, yes. Make sure y'all like this video and subscribe.